Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated talking Mickey Mouse lamp. This is Marilyn's equipment from Florida. And we have 3 Mickeys in the back that have already been repaired, and we are going to troubleshoot this Mickey in the front, and we want to get a start on that. Marilyn has 7 Mickey Mouse lamps in the shop, and here we have 4 of them. So we have 3 other Mickeys that we need to troubleshoot. We want to go ahead and get a start on the troubleshooting process of this Mickey in the front, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool Mickey Mouse lamp. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this animated Mickey Mouse talking lamp, and we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. So we're going to go ahead and turn Mickey on with a switch in the back.
What a bright idea!
And we want to wait a little bit before we turn Mickey off. We don't want to turn Mickey on and off too quickly. That's not good for the circuit. And we'll go ahead and turn the unit off right now.
Like so.
And we'll give it a second and we'll turn Mickey back on. And of course, Mickey has a different saying for each time that he's turned on and turned off, and that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and turn the unit back on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
We'll let that stay on for a second there, and we can go ahead and turn the unit off.
So long, pal.
And we'll do that one more time. We'll turn Mickey on. Now that we know that this animated Mickey Mouse talking lamp has been repaired, we have 4 of them that are finished up now, and we're going to start on the remaining 3 that is left, and then that'll make 7 lamps. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.